The master to inspire your weekly painting is M.F. Husain, a leading artist who is considered one of the most influential modern painters of India. Maqbool Fida Husain, better known as M.F. Husain, was a painter and film director who lived between the years 1913 and 2011. He is famous as an artist who painted visual narrative paintings in his unique cubist style. The greatest achievement of Husain was to combine concepts of Indian mythology and history with the European avant-garde artworks. In addition to mythology, animal symbolism is a recurring theme in Husain's artworks. Images of horses that are classic icon of Indian traditional play a dominant motif in his artworks. He paints them as strong, free-willed creatures. In his canvases, Husain masterfully reflects India's composite culture in a rich mosaic of colors. His narrative paintings, created in a modified cubist style, are often sarcastic and funny. Husain usually begins a painting by drawing lines directly with a paintbrush, making no room for error once applied. In developing his artworks, he usually journeys between painting and poetry, group gathering and performance, installation and cinema. Husain paints large themes on large formats. To him, a small canvas cannot reflect the emotional, philosophical, and symbolic weight that he likes to express. He enjoys creating paintings that are monumental in meaning and in presence. His large-scale paintings often spread across several panels to tell the story in layered narratives like in the movies. He captures the grandeur of mythology, politics, and culture in an immersive cinematic style with bold compositions and layered themes. Husain was born in Pandipur, Maharashtra. He moved to Bombay at 24 to become a painter. He was a self-taught artist who slept on pedestrian walkways and painted under streetlights. Husain began his career painting cinema posters and flyers. After a visit to Europe in 1953, where he saw the artworks of Picasso, Matisse, and Paul Klee, he created his own unique modern style. Although M.F. Husain was a recipient of several great national honors, he triggered criticism for his often irrelevant treatment of sensitive subject matters, including Hindu goddesses painted nude. One of his best-known paintings, commonly known as Bharat Marta or Mother India, depicted a bright red nude woman fitted into the shape of the Indian subcontinent. After fighting a series of lawsuits and receiving death threats from Hindu extremists, Husain left India and lived from 2006 on in self-imposed exile, mainly in London and in Dubai. in 2010 he accepted Qatar's offer of citizenship. For the remainder of his life, Husain spent much of his time between Qatar and the United Kingdom. He died in London when he was 98 years old. Today, M.F. Husain's works are in many collections across the globe, including the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, the National Gallery of Modern Art in Mumbai, and the National Museum of Islamic Art in Doha. Husain's paintings regularly perform well at auction, with Sotheby's setting the world record for his painting of reincarnation that sold for over $3 million in 2024.